this is your girl Tracy, and welcome to the Real Girl's Guide to Credit and Money. We're being broke with bad credit. It still ain't cute. Hey, today I'm coming at you kind of live from Barneys, New York, and we're talking about the Barneys, New York credit card. Now, you know I'm not a giant proponent of store credit cards, especially ones where you can only buy one thing, like say, underwear. But if it's a department store that you normally go to and they have a lot of stuff in it, you can buy different things for yourself, things for others, cosmetics, clothing, underwear, gifts, baby gifts, showers, wedding registries, whatever. I say go for it, because places like Barneys offer a lot of things to their store card holders, like a glass of wine when you dine at the restaurant, invitations to pre-sale shopping days, discounts on items that they have before they have them out to the general public, complimentary valet parking at some locations, alterations, discounts, all kinds of certain things like that we are going to be talking about today about the card while we unbox it. So stay tuned and watch.